We're here kind of in the heart of Todos Santos, outside the Rare office, and just kind of look at downtown historic Todos Santos and just how beautiful, and so you could feel the energy and what it's like. So,
¿Por qué crees que tantas personas extranjeros están viviendo aquí en Cerritos y en Todos Santos, Ricardo?
we are attracting the farmers for the reason of there's a community here, a large farm community that's attracted. So I think they get this energy here where they're kind of reconnecting to a better way of life. It's slower, is the reason that most farmers are attracted to this area, as well as the desert meeting the
Y me gustaría preguntarte por qué Rade, ustedes, Ricardo, quisieron asociarse con Taller del Ladrillo y por qué invertir en Cerritos, Baja California Sur.
Excellent question, and it's because there are two companies with history and with experience and that are professional, and I just saw it as a good fit between TDL and Rare that we can join together and make a project. They can make a project that we can represent with pride and a project that we can believe in. So that was the relationship.